All right, we went with this Graco 4Ever DLX car seat. Our son is outgrowing his car seat. And we went with this one because we didn't want to buy another one. Hopefully this will be the last one. So it has the rear facing harness, forward facing harness, high back booster, and backless booster. So hopefully this will be the last one we get. I'll show you the rest of the box, see if you can see some stuff over here. Another language, they got it in Spanish it looks like. Looks like it came all in one piece. Pull it out of there. What's in there? Cups. Alright, son's in there hanging out, but they came with pretty good instruction booklets, Spanish and English. You may want to take a look at that. It shows how to install it and also gives you a good detail on what ages you should be putting them in and the height and weight on what part of the seat you should be using and how to hook it up. There's also tons of stuff on here that shows you stuff. I'll actually get you guys to move it over. Looks like there's also cups. They kind of just go in here and they step in. They're stuck. I'll let them play with that one. And this is the infant pad, so it can be taken out. It said on the booklet it should be in the rear facing until this under an inch from here, so it's still in there. But I thought it was cool that this adjusts pretty easy when it goes up, and it loosens up here. For a bigger person, and then you can easily just pull this. And then to tilt it, there's a button on the front. You're gonna pull. That's how you tilt it when it's in the car. So it's pretty straightforward on it. It has a lot of different ways to attach it. What do you think, Zion? It also came with this on how to attach it. Alright, so I'll get you guys over here. It has that little level. Just read the instructions. It's pretty good about telling you how to do it. Need more time, just hit pause. I'll also have this in the description in the link to where you could purchase. And then it's on both sides. Like Zion's enjoying himself still. On both sides. And in the front they do have some other attachment belts here. You unclip it here and it unhooks at the top. Since he's in here, I'm not going to be able to get in there and show you guys, but it's just a little hook that it hooks in here. This releases that hook. You just snap it back on there and it hooks it back up. Doo-doo-doo.